Wow, take a look at this, sweetheart. Looking for a nice 1967 Corvette Convertible? Here it is. Beautiful example in Goodwood green. Be a 983 color code car. Also green vinyl interior, which would be a 430. All that can be checked out on the data tag underneath the passenger side of the dash. We also have it in the still pictures. This particular car is numbers matching, so it's powered by a 327 300 horse. We have confirmed that the engine is a numbers matching by the VIN derivative that is stamped on the block. And I did mention the still pictures where you can check out that data tag, you can check out the VIN, check out the pictures of the engine bay, check out that stamping that's on the 327 underneath the hood. Go to uniqueclassiccars.com and you'll be able to check out the still pictures, take a good look at them. Down below this video in the description, click on that link. That's going to take you right there. Please feel free to have any questions answered. We'll be sure to help you out with that. You can give us a call, 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on the red line tires, rally style wheels. See how straight this car is too. Paint is very, very nice on it. Haven't come across much for nicks or scratches. As you can see, great reflection coming off the ceiling. A great luster to the paint. Vinyl interior also in nice shape. This, of course, was the last year of the C2 Corvettes, 1967, and is probably considered the best model of its 5-year run as far as the 67 variety goes. Show you something on the 67s. GM put their mark of excellence blue GM logo on each door. And of course, one other way to tell a 67 by one quick glance, of course, is that backup light right above the rear license plate. That would be on the coupes and the convertibles alike. That'd be the only C2 like this that would have that backup light in that area. Top on this car is a saddle or camel colored vinyl, also in nice shape, and you can check that out in the still pictures. I was not able to find the VIN derivative on the transmission, but you can take a look. It is a Muncie, I believe M20. We do have the casting from the transmission on there, so 4-speed manual paired with that 327 300 horse. Also have pictures of the stamping on the rear axle. We'd like to see that. And once again, check out those still pictures. Any of the stamping, any close-up pics, feel free to take a good close look at those. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. If you'd like to have a third-party inspector or somebody come put their eyes and ears on this one for you, if you live a ways away, we welcome somebody to come look at this car for you. If you can't make it in yourself, we'll sure give you our honest opinion of it, and that's why you're going to see all kinds of pictures on our website. So again, check out that website and our phone number, 507-386-1726. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located at. Goodwood green 67 Corvette, green vinyl interior, just the way it would have came from Chevrolet back in 1967. I did mention it has the camel colored vinyl top, also in nice shape, and you can see pictures of that on our website as well. We're going to go ahead and fire this up, check out the engine bay. I want you to be able to hear it run, see how nice and tidy that engine bay is. Any other thing I wanted to kind of point out on this, of course, 67 went to the different vents up here, the front quarters, front fenders. This has had a little later model stereo put in it, little digital stereo. Still retains the same factory setup as far as where it's located at and how it is installed. Take a look at the door panels. Vinyl seats for your rips and tears. Dash all in nice shape. Let's go ahead and start this up. I was playing around with it just a little bit earlier before doing this video. Did notice the tach worked. It seems like all the gauges except for the clock. I did not notice the clock working. As you can see the tach there. I'm going to let this warm up a little bit too. A little bit cold-blooded. Gas gauge, battery, oil pressure. Of course, the temperature's not going to be up. I haven't had this car running. Odometer shows 63,716. Cannot confirm or deny if that would be original miles. Obviously, the car has been restored. And the miles do not say on the title after the car's become a certain age. Get a good look at the interior here. Nice sounding car. Slip around to the back here. Little rumble coming out of that 327. Nothing crazy. Not like you'd expect a stock 67 Vette to sound. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. We're going to pop the hood so you can check it out. We'll check out that engine bay. Alright, here we go. Hood popped. Again, you'll see how nice and tight it is underneath there. One thing I did notice, all the guards in place here. Take a look down below the manifolds there. All the guards are in place. Dressed up. Nicely painted engine, chrome underneath there. See how smooth it runs, how good it sounds. Look around here to the passenger side. 327, 300 horse, paired with that 4-speed Muncie transmission. Beautiful 1967 Corvette Convertible, Goodwood green vinyl interior. Way it would have came. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, getting this to where you're located at. Financing is available, and we do consider trades. One last time on those still pictures. Check them out on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on that link. It's going to take you right to them. Look forward to hearing from you on this beauty.